All right, guys, check it out. Honda Accord 1.5 turbo, 2023, brand new. Only like 52,000 K on this. This is gonna be on my new channel. We're gonna do a bunch of series of videos of fixing this up. You can see that it's been on an accident here. We got this from the auction, pretty cheap actually, but you know what you get for a cheap car. A lot of spending money to fix it up. So we're gonna fix this up, bring it back to the road, get it inspected. Let's do a walk around here. You can see that a damage on the left front. We're gonna need for sure a front bumper fascia, impact bar, I believe, a bunch of like internal plastic, frame, bracket. For sure needs a fender, a hood, the whole fascia, and same thing on this side as well, the fender. We're gonna need that for sure. It's only got hit on the front left, and right here on the airbag, all 4 airbag deployed, passenger, driver, and then the knee airbag, driver, passenger, and the seat belt as well is deployed, both side. So we're gonna need all those parts installed to this vehicle. So it runs good, it runs okay. Bunch of engine light is on. Reduce speed, it's saying, because you don't want to go fast somehow because the airbag is deployed. All right, let's pop the hood here. Let's quickly take a look. Oh yeah, the hinges for sure we're gonna need, both side. I'm thinking that there will be no frame damage on this. It's just a little bit of a exterior damage. Headlight is cracked right there. So we're gonna strip all this front end out, all the way to the rad support and rad mounts, all the way to the front of the engine. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna be doing a series of a bunch of work on this vehicle. So on the next video, I'm gonna quickly show how to remove these bumpers, grills, headlamp, fenders, all the way to the rad. Stay tuned on that. So subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. Let's go. All right, guys, we got a Honda Civic 2023. It's in the garage here. We're gonna be working on this. So on this video, let's just show you how to take out this front fascia bumper and headlight as well. We're gonna see what's behind that fascia. We're gonna see what else is damaged, and then start buying the parts. Other than that, let's start stripping apart. All right, so we're gonna put a jack stand on the front here. We're just gonna put it underneath the lower control arm. We're gonna do the other side. We're gonna start taking out the retainer underneath the front bumper here, and then we're gonna investigate more problem what's down here. Perfect. All right, so there's a take out all this. See the black plastic push pin retainer, take it out. It's so loose now.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna take out the retainers underneath here. Take all this out, and when that's done, we're gonna take out. There's a couple bolts by the wheel liner on each side, and hopefully this front bumper will come out. There's a little bit of connectors for the lights and sensors that we need to take out. All right, so there's 2 screws right here. Just use a screwdriver, one on the top. Yeah, there's so there's 2, 1 and 2. So take that out quick, and then this will peel out. There you go, front bumper. There you go. We need to cut this. Yes.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, I do it when I bring it. When I go to Ajay, I do it like that.
Okay, that's good. You did that?
I did that, yeah. Because we need.
Wow, and then now we can unhook this connector. Hold on. Just hold it up.
Okay.
Hold it up. Need to see. Hold on. You need always have
No,
to
take your time. No,
take your time and
yeah. You got it.
you press this one here.
Which one?
That
boss?
one. This one right here.
Oh,
You
yeah,
press.
you press this one.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
This whole thing will come out. There's a sensor on this. See right here, right here.
Yeah.
Take that one. Press here.
Okay.
Right here.
Yep.
Press
Yeah.
that one.
Like that?
Be careful, yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. And then pull.
Oh.
There you go. Sensor. There. Take that one.
Yeah, yeah.
This is like yeah. Yeah. Pull. Perfect. Fog light. Perfect. Yeah. There's more right here.
After you. I'm professional after you, bro.
After me. Shoot. No, we're gonna need side cutters on that right here. Cut it right. Where is that?
Come down.
This one right here.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
see.
that one. It came out.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
That's
This one is garbage.
maybe. See, there's. Huh?
Yeah.
Look, there's water inside. That's garbage. You know.
Yeah.
Maybe that one probably okay. See, there's a sensor here.
Yeah.
There's a sensor. Yeah, this will be garbage now. Yeah.
You need take this out.
Well, we can take that one out. We're just gonna save that one.
Yeah.
But so here,
And
the
for the
sensor.
Honda.
This one too, the sensor. We'll take this one out and the harness. We're gonna save as much as we
How
can.
about this?
Yeah, it's all together.
Ah.
All right, guys. So we got the front bumper fascia is out. Just double check, make sure that everything is okay. This one is a little bend. Maybe it's okay. This intercooler, a little bent. You know. I have a picture of the diagram from Honda. A picture of the front end suspension so that we know what's in here. You know, we're probably gonna take this one out right here. You know, this probably garbage now too, because it's bent all the way there. There's push pin retainers, two, and then a nut right there. This will come out, and then after that, this one down here too. We'll take this one out. Is next. Okay, so it's loose now. Yeah, loose. Yeah, take it out. Perfect. Yeah. One more. Okay. Oh, there's a wire right here. There you go. So the upper filler is out. We'll take out. Next one will be just down here. This one right here. Let's take that one out. So there's something here. And there's a bolt right there.
Yes.
There's a bolt right
Yeah,
there.
both and this. Go. Like that.
Perfect.
And here. No more. No.
No?
Just one bolt.
That won't fit. This one right here. Perfect. Okay, so we can reuse this. We're just stripping everything on the front here so we could see what needs to be replaced or damaged in here. It's bent right here, so Depends on the mechanic.
But what do you think about the frame?
The frame, I think it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah. This one here, the impact is okay. This is good. There's not much bent on that one. Right here, see? Look at this one. See? It's bent.
It's bent.
Yeah. So we need to see inside here. We need to take out this. They need to take out some of this stuff.
Okay.
We need to see, because that's the main problem right there.
This for frame?
Yeah. There's this whole thing right here is one piece. We need to see. We need to see it.
Oh.
Alright, so this is on the passenger side right here. So what happened on the driver's side is this whole thing right here is bent, especially this piece right here. This is the impact bar. This will absorb the impact on the head-on collision. The only thing that damaged on this vehicle is this side right here on that bracket. It looks like it's gonna go up to the apron of the fender, this whole thing right here. So I'll show you this side. Yeah, go ahead, take that one out. This is black. One more here. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
See, that thing is bent.
The bent, yeah.
Yeah, he got hit hard right here. I don't know what do you think, hit car or a truck? Don't know. See, this is a sensor right here. It's broken now.
Just leave it like that here.
Yeah, just leave it like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is it right there. All right, so the shop that we're gonna take this for inspection, they're gonna check this one out here. They have a measurement, some kind of ruler or laser guide that they measure this distance from there to the other side, and they're gonna decide if we can bend this forward or replace this whole thing. So it's their choice, it's their decision. You can see there's a lot of plastic damage in here. We're gonna take out this lower bracket and then the headlight here because it's all in pieces. We're gonna take this out. We're gonna go inside the frame underneath this headlight. We're gonna expose more metal. So it's underneath. There's a bolt down here. So to take this out, we need to take out this.
Okay.
To take this out, there's a bolt underneath. We need to take that out so we could put tools, but that's gonna be tough to take it out.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Here,
Yeah. Well, you know what? We could take this out and then take this out, and then after that we'll put this one back.
Okay.
Because we need to.
But how about leave it? Leave the light.
Leave the lights.
Yeah, because you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we decide to we're gonna leave the headlamp on here. Yeah, we're just gonna get the shop to take out the headlight because we're gonna need to drive this vehicle to the shop. And I just noticed here, this is the intercooler. Air goes in here, and you can see our piping is damaged right there. So you're gonna need for sure a brand new one of these, or you can use our parts car. Put it in here. This whole thing.
This the black one.
The black one.
This one stay?
It looks like this one might be stay.
Maybe stay.
It's bent here, but the only damage is here.
Okay.
So we can use our parts car to replace this damaged part. Yeah, that's it. So the main thing here, this is a big hit right here. This is where it gets hit. Like I said, you might need to change all this all the way to the apron side. So we're gonna just put the bumper back, fascia, and then we'll bolt it down, and we'll drive this vehicle to the shop for them to do an inspection. So other than that, we're gonna have to make another video, and stay tuned on the next one. We're gonna be replacing all this bad broken parts, and we're gonna show you how to do that. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys again on the next one.